Tecsun PL-990, unboxing, initial setup, and walkthrough. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Back when I was growing up, one of the birthday presents I received was a shortwave radio from Radio Shack. I thoroughly enjoyed being able to go out in the backyard on a summer's evening and be able to listen to stations all over the world. Well, fast forward to today, and I have my amateur extra ham radio license. One of the things that I recently got interested in was shortwave radios again, just to listen. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing, the initial setup, and the walkthrough of the Tecsun PL-990. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing of the Tecsun PL-990. Let's break the seal open here. And we'll see what's inside. On top we got the directions and warranty information. And it looks like a quick start guide. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. There's a wonderful case, very nice case that houses the radio right now. Let's go ahead and take the radio out of here. Put the case over to the side for a minute. See, it's wrapped in plastic. Let's go ahead and get that plastic off. This is never easy. Okay, here's the radio itself. SSB, which is the big reason why I got this, the controls on the front. See, that's tuning, that's bass and treble, that's fine tuning and volume right there. There's the back, there's the battery compartment right there. There's a pop out to the antenna for the line out, headphones, and USB-C port. And there's the micro SD card slot on the bottom. And on the top we have snooze and display. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay, this looks to be the antenna. Go ahead and get this out. And it's wound on a cord, which is real nice, and has a clip on the other end to attach it high somewhere. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. Here is the adapter to charge it. Here is headphones that you can use. And here is the battery. It's wrapped in plastic. We're going to go ahead and take that off and get it in here in a minute. And this looks to be the USB-C cable to be able to charge the radio. Which is in there very securely. Okay, there it is. Now, to wind the antenna back in, all you got to do is that with your fingers. And you see it's a compact antenna. Now here's the battery compartment. And make sure you take the strap out before you put the battery in. That way you can remove the battery easily. There it is. The battery is in. Let's go ahead and put the battery door back on. let's get the charger, plug that into the wall outlet, the USB cable. Okay, now this will go in the USB port that I'd already shown you. Okay, so that's in there. Let's go ahead and get that plugged into an outlet. I'm going to kind of move it down here. The cord's not very long. Okay, it looks like it is charging. And let's go move in for a closer look here. And you can see on the display screen, you can see where the battery symbol is on this. Right there. Okay, need to remove the plug to be able to put the external antenna in. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's plug that external antenna in. Now on the front of the radio, you're going to have to choose internal or external antenna. You choose external, and you have several things, one being DX and normal. Here's the operating manual for the PL-990. I found it to be very detailed, very straightforward, plenty of diagrams here. It is a well done manual, so kudos to Tecsun for putting together a great manual for this. And on the back is contact information and support. And they are located in California. And this is a quick start guide. And it's a very large quick start guide. And it's very clearly laid out. I think Tecsun has done a great job with the manual and this quick start guide. Let's go ahead and get this open here. Kind of show you. It's very big and it's very comprehensive. It covers everything. Okay, so that's a setup and walkthrough of the PL-990. Question of the day. What did you think of the Tecsun PL-990 unboxing, initial setup, and walkthrough? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 threes, everyone.